We have a lot less time for this segment than we initially planned, so we're going to kind of barrel through this. Who should get this?
So we see that the FDA is determining who can get it, and they broadly said everyone can get it. The CDC will decide today who should get it.
Right.
And as Dr. Offit has referenced, there is a consideration for whether it will be broad and everyone should be available, and is that a good strategy to say that everyone can have it, but let's make certain that we focus on these particular vulnerable demographics? Or will they move forward to say, these are the demographics that should receive it, those who are immunocompromised, those on chemotherapy, the elderly, those with comorbidities. And this is the group on which we're going to focus. And there's something to be said for that because there's COVID fatigue. And even in this season, we are expecting perhaps even less of an uptake than last year when we rolled out this new booster, the bivalent booster, and only had a 20% uptake. So I think the CDC is also determining not just the science, but the strategy of how we might encourage Americans, which strategy would best encourage Americans
Targeted
to
or broadly?
get this shot.
Right, essentially. How broad a group or how narrow?
That's right.
Okay.
And Nate, talk about just the need for these vaccines, because it always seems like COVID is mutating. There's another version out there. There needs to